It's getting closer. It's almost midnight. We got about 10 more minutes, I believe, till midnight. How's everybody feeling?
Yeah, all right, we're all right.
I feel all right.
You know, I thought I'd just mention something before it gets to midnight. One last thing, you might want to think about your New Year's resolutions out there.
Yeah.
You know, it might be time to think about turning over a new leaf next year. And how about it out there? Anybody got any? Well, if you got one, hold on to it just a minute, because I'm going to go first, because I'm the biggest. Now, let me see what my New Year's resolution was. Oh yeah. I believe I'm going to have to quit sleeping on my left side and start sleeping on my right side, because when I sleep on my left side, it messes my hair up, and it makes it stick out all funny all which way back here. And, you know, I used to have pretty hair. I used to use shampoo, make it bounce and behave. And now I got my hair sticking out all which way, and my face looks all whopper-jawed, you know? And, I don't know. I don't really have any serious, I don't know. How about you, Beach Bear? You got a resolution?
Well, I guess I do. Let's see. I'll dress up like an Indian and throw some tea in a harbor.
What you talking about?
You call that a resolution?
Oh, I thought it was revolution.
I just that out.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That Beach Bear, he's a clown. He's just a clown. I'll tell you what, though, I got an important resolution I gotta make. See, I gotta stop drinking these drinks with caffeine in them. Kind of gives me this twitch.
Oh, Billy Bob, that looks like quite a problem.
Yeah, it can be, especially when you're trying to get up in the morning. That twitch kind of goes.
How about you, Mitzi? How about you, little sweetheart? You got one?
Well, come to think of it, I might take a little bit more pride in my personal appearance.
Good idea.
Lose a little bit of weight. Maybe start shaving my legs. What do you think of that?
Pretty. Yeah, I think it looked real good.
Yeah, and then you can have bear legs like me and Beach Bear.
Bear legs. Okay, that's a zinger.
I think we ought to be serious about this thing. We're talking about resolutions that have to last us a whole year.
Well, you got one over there, Looney Bird?
You're darn right I do. I'm going to have to give up flying once and for all.
Why is that?
Because I can't fly.
You can't fly, so you're going to give it up. Well, that sounds kind of silly.
Yeah.
You know,
That's why they call me Looney Bird.
Yeah, I got you over there.
Yeah.
How about back there in the back there?
I'm a Looney Bird, and I can't fly.
Yeah, I understand that.
It's really pitiful.
Yeah, I understand. You're pitiful.
Shut up, Looney Bird.
Hey, who's that over there? Earl.
Yeah.
You guys got any resolution?
You mean besides trying to find me a new partner here on this stage?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got me one.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna have to stop watching Family Feud. It's so stupid. You know, there's this guy from Hogan's Heroes. You know, and he asked the guy, he says, what goes good with ice cream? And then the daddy says, asparagus, Richard. Oh, God! And everybody in the whole family, they go, good answer. Oh. And then they look up on the board, and it's not up there, of course. And what does the audience do? Oh, it's so stupid! God!
Oh, yeah, I know what you mean there, Earl. But Rolf, I haven't heard from you. What you gonna do?
Well, I've been giving it some serious thought, and, since I don't have any bad habits to break, and since I just don't have anything wrong with me whatsoever, or no improvements can possibly be made,
yeah.
I'm going to do all the guys out there a favor and stop wearing my Mr. Groovy cologne.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, with these looks and that scent, there's just not enough girls to go around for everybody else.
Yeah, that...
Rolf! You wimp! God!
That's Rolf and Earl. I think we forgot about one of how about he's back there on the drums.
Oh, who, me?
Yeah, you. What are you doing?
Man, I'm back here just jamming, having a good time listening to all y'all joke around.
Yeah,
almost forgot.
We're talking about New Year's resolution.
You talking about giving things up?
Yeah.
Well, I ain't got nothing to give up, man. I got a good job, got music, got a band, got money, got women. I ain't gonna give none of that up. You crazy?
No, I ain't crazy.
If anything, I'm looking to collect something.
Oh.
What you gonna do?
Well, I think I'm gonna start smoking.
What?
Smoking.
Yeah. You never seen me smoke before, but I gotta smoke, man.
Why? Why, dude?
Because I went to the doctor the other day and they told me that I ain't got enough tar.
Oh, dude.
I think we need a road crew.
Well, that's right. And everybody out there, you better start thinking about your New Year's resolutions like we are. See, we got some real good ones, and we can't wait till it's midnight so we can forget all about them.
Everyone.
Now, we got the number three. The number three. Oh wait, let me start that again. We got the third most favorite show here at Showbiz Pizza Place coming up. It's the Abbey Road song from the Beatles, and I want everybody to stick around. And it's a good one, so you can still got plenty of time to think about your resolutions. So yeah. So this is Fats here.
Yeah, you know what though, Fats? Before we go, I want everybody to make a new resolution for the new year of '83. I think they ought to come to Showbiz Pizza Place at least once a week in '83 and come see all the new stuff we're gonna be doing on the stage.
Yeah.
See no future, pay no rent. All the money's gone, nowhere to go. In the jobber's got the sack. Monday morning, turning back. Yellow lorry slow, nowhere to go.
Well, you should see Polythene Pam. She's so good looking, but she looks like a man. Well, you should see her in drag just in her polythene bag. Yes, you should see Polythene Pam. Yeah, 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 yeah,
could steal, but she could not bribe.
Didn't anybody tell her? Didn't anybody see? Sundays on the phone till Monday. Tuesdays on the phone to me. Oh yeah.
Once there was a way to get back home. Once there was a way to get back home. Sleep, pretty darling, do not cry, and I will sing a lullaby.
Carry that weight along.
Majesty's a pretty nice girl, but she doesn't have a lot to say. Her Majesty's a pretty nice girl, but she changes from day to day. I wanna tell her that I love her a lot, but I gotta get a belly full of wine. Her Majesty's a pretty nice girl, someday I'm gonna make her mine. Oh yeah, someday I'm gonna make her mine.